Hi guys, in today's video we will be making a tree house. The first thing we need is this wood pallet, and then I'm gonna eat some beans, and let's go. And put this down on this giant tree. Not very big. I think I have a good tree. I think I do. Okay. Okay, woo. Okay, treehouse looks good. Also, guys, we're gonna be adding stuff into it to make it look even cooler. Oh, no, 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 too far, too far. Oops. Also, guys, on my last video, and like the making a portable stash. If you guys see any videos that say I made like a portable stash or something, please tell me and go in my first video and comment and tell me that, because I don't really want to know, because I don't know, you know. Look at this. My tree house, it's beautiful. Okay, we got the floors done. Now we gotta add whatever we want. First thing I want to add is this thing. Oh. This is the gun that can shoot everything. I made a video on it, but I forgot to upload it. I couldn't upload the video of making this one because it got corrupted, so. And then the portable stash, so I can store all my stuff. Ah, look at that. Oh yeah, this is my invention I made. It's like a super plunger cosmetic. Here, do you guys want to see it? Let's go look in the mirror. Whoa, so it can do a bunch of things. Like, look at all this stuff. So let's go put this in there. But you would connect a bunch of controllers to the components and they would work. Which is kind of obvious. Okay, I think we're just gonna do this. What the? There's a barrier right there. You know what? Let's go get something cooler. Like that cheese. And a Game Boy. And we'll put the cheese in our stash, maybe. And we'll grab that Game Boy. Cheese. Or, yeah, we're gonna grab this and the Game Boy. So we can listen to music while playing on our Game Boy. Even though there's music on it. Here. Cheese. Cheese. Oh yeah. We're eating cheese while playing up the Game Boy. And then I can play with my gun. Oh no. You know what? I guess there's 2 floors. This floor. That floor. Oops! Here, you go down there. Come on, I'll get it. It's okay, guys. It's all fine. Well, that's it, guys. See you guys later and have a good day.